I swear this is the last time that I am taking. This is just a little poem that I wrote. It's not a song this time, so listen carefully. Young black boy, stop letting them play you for a fool. If charity begins at home, it definitely finishes at school. When your teacher speaks but you compliment it with a rude answer? Or is it when in your book bag you carry a 9mm? Or is it when the pressure of fame is on your plate? Is that when you go to school but never enter the school gate? Young black boy, open your eyes. Tell me what you see. Eyes of despair, discomfort. The entire nation is angry. Is it where you come from? Or is it in your blood, child? This problem to some seems very mild. Growing up in church, yet still so confused. Society owns your body that was mentally abused. Young black boy, look around. Just realize your friends and friends, they all tell you lies. Are the drugs that herbal when put in the wrong hands? Will you be affected when they clean out the land? Sit for a minute. Think about your nation. You, my son, are responsible for the next generation. Young black boy, act now, set a trend. Don't be like the others and wait on the end. Your end is now, but also your beginning. It is your race, my friend. Tell them that you are winning. Remember sitting in the very third pew. You weren't with the majority. You were one of the few. Young black boy, take a minute and reminisce. Take your strong self out of this abyss. No matter who holds you down, I want you to know you hated the silver bracelets. You have the scars to show. Pick yourself up. Prove that you're not bad. Show the world that we are positive youths in Trinidad. Subscribe, like, share. I have my own page now.